Hey guys, you know that video what I did about vlog? Well, about that well, we're looking at a Cocker Spaniel. And we're getting it, we've got it, it's ours.
Bring out the snakes.
Yeah, so then my brother was literally booming out of our seat. Look at my dad.
It's like John Bush.
It's actually cute. So tomorrow, I'll show you the little puppy. Me and Evan are really excited, that's my brother. We're so happy. So right now I'm having chips for tea. In a couple of hours, because they've gone to a restaurant, they're gonna come to our house because, you know, and we're gonna have a little Cocker Spaniel.